11월 8일 화요일 모닝 헤드라인즈 뉴스캐스터 레이와 함께 시작합니다.
South Korea's first lunar orbiter, Danuri, has sent text messages and images from space to Earth, successfully completing its long-distance data transmission tests.
우리나라의 첫 달 궤도선 다누리가 우주에서 지구로 문자와 사진 등을 보내오며 장거리 데이터 전송 시험을 성공적으로 마쳤습니다.
South Korea is showing increasing signs of an economic slowdown due to weakening exports and a sluggish manufacturing sector, according to a state-run think tank.
최근 수출과 제조업 부진으로 우리나라의 경제 성장세가 둔화하는 모습이라고 국책연구원이 진단했습니다.
The latest U.S. polls released on the final weekend before the 2022 midterm elections have shown just how close the battle for Congress will shake out.
미국 중간선거 전 마지막 주말에 실시된 여론조사에 따르면 공화당과 민주당 양당이 오차 범위 내 대접전을 벌이고 있는 것으로 나타났습니다.
Kyiv's mayor has told residents to consider leaving the Ukrainian capital in the event of a complete blackout as Russia continues its campaign of strikes on energy infrastructure.
우크라이나 에너지 기반 시설을 겨냥한 러시아의 공격이 지속되면서 키이우 시장은 전기가 완전히 끊길 경우를 대비해 주민 대피 계획을 세우고 있다고 외신이 전했습니다.
COP27, the UN's 27th summit on climate change, has opened in Egypt with a warning that our planet is sending a distress signal.
유엔의 기후 정상회의인 제27차 유엔 기후변화협약 당사국 회의가 지구가 조난 신호를 보내고 있다는 경고와 함께 이집트에서 개막했습니다. And those are today's morning headlines.
Morning headline expressions.
From the headlines today, let's have a look at our key expressions. The first one was long distance.
Right. When we use long distance as an adjective, it means that something is done for a far distance or from far away. So we might talk about long distance phone calls.
Yeah.
We used to talk about those in the 80s and 90s all the time. May think about marathon runners. They're considered long distance runners.
Yeah.
They run for a long distance.
네, 장거리라는 뜻입니다. Long distance. 반대말은 뭐 short distance라고 할 수도 있는데요. 여기서는 다누리 successfully completed its long distance data transmission tests라는 문장에서 나왔죠. It was really exciting to hear that Danuri sent back text messages, pictures, and even a video.
A music video, not any video. The
BTS.
The BTS Dynamite video.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Very Korean, right? That's great though. I think it's entertaining.
네, 모든 것을 이룬다는 다누리. 자, 그 다음에 이제 두 번째 헤드라인에서는요, 경기 둔화. Economic slowdown.
This means that the pace of growth, the pace of GDP growth to be exact, slows down. So it doesn't mean the economy is shrinking. It doesn't mean the economy isn't growing, but it's just growing slower than it was in the past.
A slowdown이라고 하는 것 자체가 둔화죠. So an economic slowdown would be the growth of the economy, as you said, slowing.
It grows less than it was before. Still growing. Think about if you're running, right? You might be running really fast and you start to get tired. So then you start jogging. You're still running, but you're not running as fast as you were. You weren't, some people do sprints and then jog, sprint and jog.
Yeah.
You sprint and
And then you slow down.
Yeah.
And there could be situations where you actually tell people to slow down because they're going too fast.
Exactly.
You could say, hey, just slow down, 좀만 더 천천히 하세요, 라고 할 때도 slow down을 쓸 수 있죠. 그러니까 앞으로 가긴 가는데 조금 더 지체된 페이스로 가는 거죠. 자, 그 다음에 세 번째 헤드라인에서는 for something to shake out.
That means how something will end up, how something will play out. We usually use it for a future event, right? And you don't know the result of that future event yet, but you sort of saying, well, let's just see how things shake out.
How things turn out.
Yeah, how things turn out, what ends up happening. So a lot of times you use it when you're trying to make some kind of plan for the future, but you don't have that one piece of information about that one event. So, well, let's see how things shake out, and then we'll decide what we're going to do.
Yeah, let's see how it shakes out. Shake out라는 건 이렇게 펼쳐지다의 의미가 있습니다. 그래서 미국의 중간선거에 대한 여러 여론조사들이 그동안에 실시가 됐었는데요. 현지 시간으로 11월 8일입니다. 우리 시간으로는 좀 더 기다려야 결과가 나올 텐데 어떻게 이 중간선거 결과가 펼쳐질지 일단 여론조사만 봤을 때는 it's gonna be close. 대접전이 펼쳐질 것 같아요. But we don't know. We'll have to wait and see.
Find out tomorrow how things shake out.
Yes, definitely. 자, 네 번째 헤드라인에서는요. In the event of.
In the event of, it's just a way to say if something happens, right? And it's some event, something you can sort of point to and say, if that thing happens, then we should do this, or this.
Yeah, I think in the cinema, when you go to watch a movie, in Korean, there'll be an announcement.
Okay.
And basically, if you translate it, they're saying, in the event of a fire or an emergency, here are the emergency exits.
Right. They say that I think it might even say that in English too on the screen.
Probably. It must do, right? Yeah. 그렇죠. 비상 시에는 또는 화재 발생 시에는 출입구, 비상 출입구가 여기 있습니다라고 영화관에서 알려주죠. 그럴 때도 이런 표현 쓸 수 있어요. In the event of a fire, in the event of an emergency. 자, 그다음에 마지막 헤드라인입니다. 조난 신호를 보내다, send a distress signal.
A distress signal, SOS or Mayday. Right? Sometimes we'll see that on TV shows or movies, airplanes or ships when they're in danger.
Yeah.
They'll send a distress signal, meaning they need help.
That's right. 조난 신호를 보내는 게 sending a distress signal인데요. 보통은 이제 Mayday라고 이렇게 방송을 하거나 아니면은 이제 그 불 같은 걸로 이렇게 SOS 뭐 이렇게
Was it white
use
flag?
fire or something 뭐 그런 거 이용한다고 들은 것 같아요. 아니면 뭐 만약에 사막에 있으면 크게 글씨로 SOS
Morse code.
쓰고 네, Morse code는 이게 뭐 불꽃 같은 게 있으면 팡팡 쏴가지고 모스 코드로 SOS를 치기도 하죠. 이런 거 다 조난 신호, distress signal입니다. 이렇게 오늘 헤드라인에서 나온 표현들 리뷰해봤고요. 모닝 헤드라인 익스프레션스는 오디오 어학당과 유튜브에서 무료로 다시 듣기 하실 수 있습니다.